Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to verify your email address in Shopify. Soon after you create a new account on Shopify, you'll also need to verify your email. First of all, launch open a web browser and then type in shopify.com in it. Also make sure you are logged into your Shopify account like you normally do. Once you're inside the homepage of Shopify, go ahead and click on your name of the store at the top right corner and then click on My Store button. Soon after you do that, this will open the General tab where you'll be able to see this verification email sent button. You'll need to verify your email address by following the link sent to your registered email. Open up whichever email service provider you have added and click open the email from Shopify. You will see verify your email inbox. Click on it to open it up and click on confirm email. Soon after you do that, click on yes, this is my email to verify, and you have successfully verified your email address. So that is how you can easily verify your email on Shopify.com. Email verification is required to activate your store. It is needed for payment and domain, and it is important for email notification and account security. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.